Greetings everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back to TonTrader. Today we will discuss about trends. Without trends, you cannot become a professional trader or you cannot have a good profit versus loss ratio. Trends will help you understand when to enter a specific market and when to exit a market. Usually there are three types of trends. The uptrend when the market moves up, the sideways trend or the so-called heaven for traders, I'll explain to you why, and the downtrend when the market actually registers losses. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about in just a simple example, and then I will show you on real charts as well. And as you can see, you have the uptrend in green, which is signaled by higher highs as well as higher lows. With orange, you can identify the sideways trend. This is the heaven for traders. Why? Because you can predict the entry price for a long position and the closing price for a long position. But also you can identify the opening price of a short position and then the closing price for the short position exactly as the one you opened the previous long. So basically moving up and down somehow on the same pricing. This is a trader's heaven, and usually this is what traders trade on. So whenever you see this, you will know for sure that you can open 2, 3, maybe 4 long and short positions one after another. And of course with red we have the downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. Now a cool thing here is that the higher highs from the uptrend is exactly as the lower highs from the downtrend, and the higher lows from uptrend is the exact same pricing as the lower lows. What this signifies is a strong support and resistance lines. These charts are purely logical and natural, and you should understand how they work, and if you understand, you're gonna win big. And of course, TonTraders, now I'm gonna take you on the TonTrader app and show you how to identify specific uptrend channels, sideways channels, and downtrend trade channels. I'm really happy and excited for me to present this information to you, because without it, you cannot become a professional trader and you will have losses. But with us, TonTrader team, you're gonna do just great. See you on the charts very soon. Now let's move on to the TonTrader app and let's identify some trends. I'm gonna select Bitcoin right now and let me see what I can find. Immediately, I can identify a perfect uptrend. So we have over here, let's imagine the higher low, the higher high, and again, higher low and higher high. This creates a channel. If we would draw a line from here down to here, right, we can identify the fact that we have an upper level and moving forward from the chart. Even though this will squeeze us out, but at least we will be on the long. Let me try to identify a sideways trading, or if not, oh look, another upper trend over here. And this would be considered the breakout. If you went long here, you could have made some profits. Disregard this drop, but again, the chart doesn't lie. Here we can see some sort of a downtrend and a channel has been made, but I would move this in a sideways, to be honest with you, and we can open long short a few times and earn some profits. So the trends are not that hard to identify. Look, this is almost a perfect sideways trading, right? Sideways trend, and you can open long and short a few times within this particular price frame. And we can see and identify these particular things over and over again. This doesn't mean you should use them every time, but at least it can help you try to squeeze in more profits. Look, this is a perfect upper trend. Despite this drop, maybe Trump said something or Elon Musk said something, but if it wasn't, the trend was on track. And this is how you use trend. Look, another perfect uptrend and a perfect downtrend over here. So with time, you can understand if we see a downtrend like this, you will put it in a channel. Let me move this a little bit with the zoom. So this is a downtrend We have a break here, but it's a fake breakout. If you would put a long position here, you could have made some profit despite this particular spike. So the trends will help you identify a good entry point or an exit point. And when it comes to sideways or the heaven, you can open multiple long and short positions one after another. See you next time, Ton Traders. Thank you all for your attention.